Hi guys and girls, I'm Mary Jane Sanchez. I'm here in front of you to shoot our project video entitled What Are the Things I Learned in Basic Communication. This is a course providing the student to know the different foundation of communication and how it takes place. This is in same semester. Many things comes to my mind. Mr. Arl Santo Domingo Contillas thought capable to understand as someone at the first place. I don't know how to make English. What are the difference between the four skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening, and how I use those skills to my everyday life, everyday living. I learned so many things, and I'm very thankful that I learned so many things. Now I can compete to those people who are underestimating me. I know the different communication struggles. I have a self-confidence and convicted to speak to the public. I hope that this coming second semester, I hope that more knowledge I will gain. Sir Al Santo Domingo Pontillas, thank you for getting me know such thing. Thank you, sir, and God bless. Mwah.